Thinking about your New Year's resolutions and organization is at the top of your list. Our partners at Better Homes and Gardens are here to help.
Here are a few simple steps for organizing your pantry and getting the year off to a great start.
Get your pantry easily organized in the new year. Here are some no-brainer steps. Remove all items to assess what you have. Now, start looking at the dates and begin throwing out expired food. Make room for reorganizing by clearing the rest of your items out. Wipe down shelves to start fresh. Sort the goods by type of food, whether it's chips or cookies or other household items. Use a Lazy Susan to keep bottles accessible and easy to reach. Place dry goods in airtight containers that make it easy to see what contents are inside. Items like cereal and granola work really well in these containers. Then add labels to identify contents, making it easy to spot whatever you are looking for. Use risers to keep cans as visible as possible. Store single-serve snacks like granola bars into easy-to-assess bins. This is good for the kids when they want a healthy snack. And your pantry will stay perfectly organized.